Hello everyone, in this video, we will introduce the carbon dioxide cylinder fitting for the iGulu F1. The carbon dioxide cylinder compatible with the iGulu F1 is the same model used in soda machines. First, remove the dust cap from the pressure regulator screw port. Ensure the pressure regulator switch is in the off position. Invert the carbon dioxide cylinder and insert it into the pressure regulator screw port along the guide frame, then tighten it by turning clockwise. Open the pressure regulator switch. If the pressure gauge shows a reading, it means the installation is successful and the cylinder has gas. Close the pressure regulator switch and unscrew the cylinder counterclockwise. A small amount of gas may escape from the pipeline, which is normal and nothing to worry about. Remember to keep the dust cap safe and replace it on the cylinder when not in use. What happens if you attach or detach the cylinder without closing the pressure regulator? Let's find out. We open the pressure relief valve switch, then attempt to install the cylinder while the pressure relief valve is open. We can see that it's not dangerous, but the gas will be ejected quickly and in large quantities. It is a waste of carbon dioxide gas. Therefore, to avoid startling gas releases and carbon dioxide wastage, we recommend always attaching or detaching the cylinder with the pressure regulator switch in the off position.